have worked with and spoken to women and girls all around the world on the particular subject of domestic and sexual violence, gender-based violence. I used to be in a domestically violent relationship, and at the time that I was experiencing this, I kept it a secret. Nobody who loved me knew what I was going through. And I believe that many people who suffer from domestic or sexual violence carry this around with them without sharing it. And because of the secrecy, they also are not aware of the resources that are available to them to help them navigate and find their way to a better situation. And I encourage young women and women all around the world who may be dealing with a form of violence in their lives to communicate with someone that they feel that they can trust, and also to become aware that there are incredible organizations whose entire mission is to give you the tools to navigate to a healthy form of your life and a healthy version of a relationship.